Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to drain your intercooler and how to remove it on a Dodge Neon srt4. Watch my how to remove your bumper video. Next after that, as you can see, mine's held on by these nuts right here and right there. And then you're also going to have to remove the couplers that are holding the intercooler on there and down here. You can see I jacked up that part and used the jack stand, so now it's angled this way. So what I did is I put a catch pan right here because there's a lot of oil in it. That's exactly where it's going to go right when you pull that coupler off. So that's the part we're going to do next, and if no oil comes out, then we'll just go ahead and pull the whole intercooler assembly off. So now we got that pulled. You can kind of see where oil is pulling up in there. As of right now, there's nothing yet. So now what we're going to do is hold the intercooler upside down and let her drain out. So I'm going to sit you right here so you can see. You're resting on the bumper. Surprisingly, I didn't have that much oil in mine. I was just pulling mine to make sure because I've had the car for a few years. If you have to pull it, I know some of the stock turbo cars that don't have catch pans, you can pull up in that. So if that's the case, then you go ahead. I'm just going to let that sit and see if I get it all to drain at the bottom, and then I'm going to try draining it again. But that's how you remove the intercooler, and that's how you would drain it normally.